under the same sky, different city, same moon watching over you and me. I don't need you close to feel you with me, cause love like this.
In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this song and other types of song for your anniversaries, graduations, whether you want to use it for your project. It doesn't matter what you are using it for. This AI can create songs that sounds like human. If you watch this video to the end, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how exactly you can create your songs for free. The first thing is to figure out the type of song you want to create. Is it a love song? Is it a motivational song? Take that idea and go over to any AI chat model you use. It could be Claude, it could be ChatGPT. In this case, I used Claude. I just told Claude that I want to write this song with Suno and it should give me everything that I need to write it. So what it's going to give you, it will give you the music tag, it will give you the lyrics and the title. After getting all these details, you're going to copy them in your clipboard or just save them somewhere and go over to your browser and type suno.com. When you get to Suno's homepage, click the button to join Suno for free, and that will take you to the dashboard we'll be working with. All you just have to do on this dashboard is to paste what you got from Claude or ChatGPT on the necessary segment. So you're going to paste your lyrics in the place provided for lyrics, and then you go below there and look for a segment that is called styles. Now this is where you paste your tags. Now this gives the AI model what type of music to create, right? Now you get a very accurate tag when you ask your chat AI properly with the kind of song you want. If you want, like you already know what you want to do, you can include the type of style of song you want in your prompt. Like instead of saying write me all I will need to create a love song on Suno, you can just say write me all I will need to create a long song with the Afrobeat style or any other style that you want to do. Now, after pasting the style, you go over to the title section. This is optional, but you can just add it to make it feel correct, right? Add the title to the title section, and then you also get a segment where you get to choose the gender of the singer. So I chose female. You can switch the gender or you can just leave the AI to do its thing. After adding all these details, you just click on the create button and just give it time to cook. Once it's done creating the songs, it created two options, and you can see that there are other options below, but that is limited to the pro users. The two options it created was actually very good, but I like the first one more, so I chose to use the first one. And it's so easy. That's how you just get to download it and save it. Please note that you can only use this song for commercial purposes when you are a pro subscriber to Suno. But if you just want to create songs for your loved ones and all of that, I think this is very good for you. If you benefited from this video, subscribe so that you'll be one of the first persons to know when I upload another AI tutorial. With that being said, I created a special playlist for AI lovers. This is where I document all the AI tools that I found out. All the tutorials are literally uploaded on this playlist, so you can just go over it and see what AI tools will be useful to you. And if you're able to create a song with Suno, comment below. I want to see the songs you came up with.